Welcome to IAS project. In this video, we will be doing some practice questions of ancient Indian history for UPSC Civil Services exam. You can watch this video in Hindi also. Just go to my other channel, that is IAS Project Hindi. The link for this channel is given in the description section below. You can pause this video at any time to read and answer the question. So let's look at the question. Consider the following statements. We are given three statements. And the question is, which of the statements given above are correct? Let's look at the first statement. Radiometric dating can be used to date the age of rocks and minerals. This statement is correct because we know that radiometric dating is an umbrella term for scientific techniques like radiocarbon dating, uranium lead dating, potassium argon dating, and other techniques. Particularly, if we look at uranium lead dating or potassium argon dating, these can be used to date rocks and minerals. So the first statement is correct. The second statement is radiocarbon dating can only be used to date the remains of things that once lived. This is also correct. Sometimes when there are words like only, the statement can be tricky. And most of the times the statement is false. However, it is not the case here because we know that radiocarbon dating can only be used to date dead organic matter. Dead organic matter means organic matter that came from plants, animals, and humans. So, radiocarbon dating can be used to date the things that once lived, which means they are now dead. For example, dead plants, dead animals, dead human beings. The age of these things can be known by radiocarbon dating. The third statement is radiocarbon dating can be used to determine the age of Earth. This statement is false because generally the radiocarbon dating does not have good accuracy if the samples are older than 50,000 years. So we generally use radiocarbon dating to date things that once lived and whose age is less than 50,000 years old. But we know the age of the Earth is almost 4.54 billion years. So where is 50,000 and where is 4.54 billion? So radiocarbon dating cannot be used to determine the age of Earth. So the correct answer will be 1 and 2 are correct. So option A, 1 and 2 only. Let's look at the next question. It is a match the following question. On one side we are given technique used and on the other side we have object dated. This question can be a little tricky because if we look here, carbon dating can be actually used to date charcoal, timber, animal bones also. So let's read the question. The question is select the most appropriate answer. So what we are going to do is we are going to do specific matching. For example, we know that amino acid analysis can be used for dating of animal bones or human bones. So 3 is D. Also, we know that potassium argon dating is used for dating of volcanic rocks. What about dendrochronology? Dendrochronology is nothing but study of tree rings. So study of tree rings meaning we can date timber using this methodology. So what is left out? Carbon dating is left out. So carbon dating can obviously used for charcoal. So the most appropriate answer would be 1B, 2A, 4C, 3D. So D is the correct option. You can do this question by elimination method also. We have seen here amino acid analysis is used for animal bones. So 3 should be D. 3A is false, 3B is false, 3B is false. So 3D is correct. You can use elimination techniques on many questions during the actual UPSC Prelims exam. We will discuss about elimination technique in detail later. So the explanation for the question is here. So potassium argon dating is used for volcanic rocks, amino acid analysis is used for bones, dendrochronology for tree rings including timber. Obviously, radiocarbon dating can be used for charcoal. The next question is, consider the various stages of human evolution given below. We are given 4 stages And the question is, the correct chronological order of human evolution is. Chronological order means in the ascending order of time. For example, yesterday, today, and tomorrow is nothing but chronological order. So we know first was Australopithecus afarensis. So this is the first 3. Then came Homo habilis, that is Homo habilis, 4th. Then it was Homo erectus, which is 2. Then we know it was Neanderthals, which is 1. And after this, modern humans, that is Homo sapiens sapiens. But this is not given. So the answer is 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. So D is the correct answer. So this is how the evolution was. First it was Australopithecus, then Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, then Homo sapiens sapiens. This is the modern humans. Let's look at the next question. Consider the following statements. 4 statements are given here, and the question is, which of the statements given above are correct? The first statement is Australopithecus was a bipedal. Bipedal means, we know, bi means 2, pedal means feet. So Australopithecus walked on 2 feet. What do we call the animals that walk on 4 feet? They are called quadrupedal. So Australopithecus was a bipedal. This is correct. If you look at the picture here, it is walking on 2 feet. The next statement is Homo erectus were the first humans to walk upright. This is correct because as the name says, Homo erectus means the human that was standing straight. So Homo erectus were the first humans to walk upright. So if you look at this picture, this is the person Homo erectus and he is walking upright. The next statement is Homo sapiens sapiens are the only extant species of Homo. Please look here, this is extant, not extinct. What is extinct? Extinct means they are not there anymore. Extant means they are there or they exist. For example, I can say Indian cheetah is extinct, this one, because Indian cheetah is no more there. However, African cheetah is extant in Africa. This means that African cheetah is there. So extinct means not there, extant means there. Both are opposite words. So Homo sapiens sapiens are the only extant species of Homo. This is correct because all these species before the Homo sapiens are today extinct, and the only Homo species that is extant is Homo sapiens sapiens. So the third statement is correct. The fourth statement is Narmada human fossil found in Madhya Pradesh belong to Homo habilis. This is false because Narmada human fossil belong to Homo erectus. So the correct answer would be 1, 2 and 3 only are correct. Option D. If you want these practice questions, presentation of the lecture and notes, please join us on our Telegram channel. The link for this channel is given in the description below. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.